What is it?
I don't know, baby. It's big. Is that camera?
Yes.
Oh my goodness, it's a big fish. It's a largemouth. Monster largemouth. Oh. Oh. Still taking that line.
Woo! Uh-oh.
Oh, I just saw what it was. No wonder it's pulling so hard.
What is it?
We got a carp here, people.
That's a carp?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Yeah.
I can catch those. That's a really big carp. Holy crap!
It is a carp. He's not done.
Do you need a net?
We don't have one.
Oh. These are our first boating days.
So Murphy, man.
Murphy, come here. He sees it. Milo, where's the fish?
Big fish.
Where's the fish, Milo? Where's the fish? Go get it. Get it, Murphy. Get the fish. Get the fish, Murphy. Oh, that was a big guy. Whoa, you snagged him.
That's how you encourage.
That's a cheap shot.
That's how you encourage carp to bite.
Oh, cheap shot, Polly.
I don't know if that's my first fish on the boat is a carp.
Are you going to claim that?
Hell yeah. Big old fish.
Well, get it up here.
Not done yet.
Holy cow. He's a big guy.
Say 10 pounds. Not bad on 8-pound cast. I thought I had the largemouth.
Oh, Murphy, stop crying.
Okay. Coming in, people. Maybe. Oh, that's a deep boat. I'm going to walk down this way so I can land him.
He's bright yellow. Woo! Polly's first fish on the boat. Woo woo! Get it, Murphy! Get the fish! Get it, Murphy! All right, way to go, Polly!
10-pounder.
Woo woo!
Over and out.